everyone, Olive here, and for today's video, let's do a bonus reading para sa Aries. So, let's see, ano ang bonus reading for you, Aries. Meron ka bang iniantay? Meron akong nararamdaman energies dito that you're waiting for something. Nasa waiting period ka, Aries. This one for you. Let's check. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng bagong followers, subscribers ng ating mga social media accounts. And for those na nag-avail ng ating private readings, thank you so much. Message me sa aking TikTok or email for private readings. And don't forget to comment below and subscribe. Follow para mas updated and maka-help na rin sa atin. Thank you. Thank you ulit. Period of waiting. Let's see. Ace of Cups. Oh. Wish fulfillment. Meron kang wish fulfillment or nakakaramdam ka ng emotionally fulfilled ka. Justice. Oh. Yung iba dito, there's an energy coming in. Magbabalanse na ang lahat. You might also feel imbalance lately, Aries. So, meron ako nakikitang, alam mo yung papantay na ang lahat. And, there's an overflowing success. There's also an incoming messages coming in for you and a lot of travel as well. Could be a short distance travel, very malayo. Like, short distance trip and then long distance trip. All for this ay magbibigay sa iyo ng emotional fulfillment. Pero be careful then when it comes to a lot of distractions. 9 of Cups. So, emotional fulfillment, wishes come true, and balance energy. For some of you here, trying to, or sinusubukan yung i-balance yung logical thinking ninyo at saka yung emotions ninyo. Mahirap siya kasi meron ako nakikita ditong ramdam mo yung emotions mo eh. Punong-puno ka ng emotions pero mas pinapairal mo right now ang iyong pag-iisip. Ang ginagamit mo sa decision lately or maring ang gamitin mo sa decision lately or ang tamang gamitin sa pagdesisyon, Aries, ay ang iyong logical sense. What else? Thank you. For some of you here intuitively, Aries, meron ako nakikita may malaking purchase or may malaking offer sa iyo when it comes to your career, especially if this is related to selling, buy and sell, selling your properties, your services, your knowledge. Meron ako nakikitang malaking ani for you. And speaking of, this is the Wheel of Fortune, very timely. Another card, 10 of Cups. Oh, 5 of Cups reverse, 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, Seven of Swords, the Sun card, King of Pentacles. Oh. The Lovers. 3 of Wands. 8 of Swords. King of Wands. The Fool. Last card, Aries. Judgment. Thank you. Ano yun? Your overall energy, there is a lot of wishes coming true, wish fulfillment here, and moving on from the past. Yeah, like, yung emotions mo is hindi na siya nakakapit from your past failures, past setbacks. Unti-unti ka nang gumagawa ng paraan to stay away from that stagnations, from that victim mindset. And makakaramdam ka rin dito ng emotions, your emotions is overflowing. Aside from emotional fulfillment, meron ako nakikita dito, mas magkakaroon ka ng authority when it comes to your decision making. For some of you here, kung ikaw ay nakaramdam ng betrayal sa past, meron ako nakikitang clarity and moving on from it. Yung mas maiintindihan mo na kung bakit mo kailangan pagdaanan yun. Of course, that's not a valid reason or excuse kung bakit natin kailangan pagdaanan yun. It's not na hindi siya dapat maging way of understanding na ay kailangan ko siyang pagdaanan kasi deserve ko. No, it's not like that. There are certain situation na ginawa sa atin ng mga tao sa paligid natin. It's because it's their decision na itrato tayo ng ganon. Pero ang nakikita ko sa'yo, mas magkakaroon ka na ng positive energy. Hindi mo na madalas na isipin pa yung mga nangyari from the past. Magkakaroon ka din ng malaking gains dito when it comes to your finances. Mas magkakaroon ka na ng control, maring bawasan mo na rin yung gastos mo, personal gastos mo, kasi may mas pinag-iipunan ka ng investments when it comes to your money. Meron din ako nakikita dito, someone here, sa love aspects mo naman, someone here is watching you from afar. Someone here is still trying their best not to think about you, or wag ka na isipin ng mas madalas. This is a person from the past na maring may nasabi or nagawa. Mas more on na may nasabi siya ditong pinagsisihan niya Maaring nadala siya ng emotions niya. But again, that's not hindi siya valid reason para tanggapin na lang natin ang nangyari sa atin. Parang ini-invalidate na lang natin yung mga sarili natin. It's because dala siya ng tadhana. I personally do not believe on that. Nangyari sa'yo yun kasi ang mga tao around you, choice nilang itrato ka ng ganun. For some of you here, meron ako nakikitang image sa utak ko na sasakyan. Maybe ma-highlight dito yung energies ng travel, energies of exploration. Mas magkakaroon ka ng risk to get out from your house, sa yung comfort zone, or may mga taong hihilahin ka palabas sa comfort zone mo. Someone also here na meron siyang mature aura, mature energy that is trying to approach you and talk about you about sa career. You might not be interested at first, pero pag-iisipan mo to kailangan mo siyang pag-isipan kasi this partnership ay magbibigay sa'yo ng emotional fulfillment, yung victory when it comes to career. Pero nakikita ko rin dito, maaaring magkaroon ka ng panghinaan ka ng loob when it comes to decision making. Siguro dumating ka din sa punto na, lalo na kung dumating ka sa punto na parang hindi mo masyadong ina-allow yung sarili mo to trust your judgment, but now is the time for you to really trust your judgment and it will lead you to somewhere else. I can see an energy here, merong pagbabago ng location kung saan mas magbibigay sa'yo ng abundance, ng connection, ng community that will truly honor you and accept your idea of who you really are. So this is your bonus reading, Aries. I hope it helps, and don't forget to comment anything below. Thank you.